When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light.
Good morning, Monza. Good morning, Monza, my good people. Welcome to brand new vlogging. If it is your first time here, welcome. My name is Authentic Greatness. Please take this moment to like, comment, and subscribe, Z. And if you're a returning savvy, thank you so much, my love, for your continued support. I really appreciate it. Today it's a walking Sunday and I am going to church. Do not mind the background noise. The plumber is busy with the yeah. So, and it is also my niece's birthday. Happy birthday, Beyonce. Happy birthday, Mimosa Waka. I love you so much. I know you're gonna be watching this. So happy birthday, my love. I love you so much. I'm going to church. After church, I'm gonna go and get her a gift. And yeah, Mama always say we're gonna be doing some sort of a braai-ish. So yeah, after church, I'm gonna go and get her a gift and make my way to the braai. Riloja nanga ebesiswe mbatong yo kunini sali tinagadi one. You know what? Imagine that. Okay, I'm lying. Usually on Friday I go zipos, but it doesn't slap like homemade braai. So yeah, baby already, live like ready. The car is ready. So let us go and worship the King, the one and only King, the ruler of my life. You know. Yeah. So let's go. Oh, before I pick it up, Mom, I just want to acknowledge the fact that I have been a consistent queen. If you've been watching my vlogs, I've been posting consistently for 2 months. It could never be me. Like, who is this focused girl? There was a discourse going on TikTok. The lady the creators, some YouTube, especially South African creators, because I'm not consistent at all. And as soon as they hit like the 100K or as soon as the new men in their lives, boop, gone. I can take it, I can take it, Tembang me, na guys, put your trust in me. Share my vlogs, guys, refen chance na small creators and see what we have to offer. Like refen chance. So please. So we stick to our word. Hello. Hi guys, I'm going to church. I'm going to praise the Lord. I'm going to church. I'm going to praise the Lord. Are you guys going to church? Yes. Goods are secured. Only for Momo's eyes. Happy birthday, Momoza. Happy birthday, Momoza. Happy birthday, Momo. Happy birthday. Hooray. Momo, say hi, salamat. Good morning. Morning, Yella. Today it's Monday and I'm doing laundry. Whoa. I'm doing laundry. I'm doing my laundry together with Tati's laundry. Cause tomorrow I'm going to run back for training. Yeah, the thought of leaving my child. I always leave her like when I have to go to trainings. Mara, I never get used to the feeling. Because when I go to the trainings, I leave in the morning. Like, and by the time, usually she's still asleep. Or she's awake. And then, anyway, Nat ilondrika unta. Welele basket. So, asamben so islamba.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is
Thank you.
allowed.
For breakfast, I'm having
Your mind is
mabele, soft porridge.
way.
Here's yours.
Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No, no. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need.
The time right now is currently 11. 11 on the dot. It's currently 11 on the dot, and I'm done with doing the laundry. I'm done with cleaning the house as well as washing the dishes. Once I just woke up right now, I give it a hoja. Kibile ka etsa ka mo pepa, and then ka hlatswa dikotlolo. I get dikotlolo. Girl decided gore ene ke nako ya gagwe ya go robala, and then she slept. And then she slept. Guys, I was showing ka fetsa. No, exactly no. I give it a whole. And I had the last load. Girl, I decided so now I'm boiling water to make breakfast for her, as well as my morning coffee. I haven't had coffee. Actually, today I'm not gonna have coffee. I'm gonna have rooibos tea. Yeah, so today I'm gonna have rooibos tea and prepare myself, because ka one ke lebogile wait la re tlo feletsa mosebetsing o mongwe, and then yeah, that will be my Monday. We can pick up a laundry. Enough. I just wanna bond with baby. Second thoughts, I'm gonna have coffee. Wadlan? Sana, I genuinely miss the days where she would sleep like almost the whole day. Like, now she only sleeps in the morning, like about 9, 10. And then midday, I have to have after her night bath. Yeah, that means those active hours, we have to do something. I have to teach her how to crawl. I have to engage with her, carry toys. And yeah, I really miss the newborn stage. It's 6:30 and guess who's up? Manga's. It's like she can feel Morning, Monza. I am leaving, so I thought let me just breastfeed her since she's awake. The sun, since she's awake, let me breastfeed. Why is she awake?